What is the future of military technology in our time? The modern battlefield is rapidly changing under the influence of technological progress, and one of the most illustrative examples of this transformation is the creation of the multifunctional tactical robot MUT, Multi-Utility Tactical Transport. This development by the American company General Dynamics Land Systems, known for its long-term experience in the production of military and aerospace equipment, represents a fundamentally new approach to solving logistical and combat tasks in modern armed conflicts. MUT was conceived not as an experimental concept, but as a practical, reliable, and multi-purpose platform that can really ease the burden on personnel and increase the efficiency of military units in a wide variety of operational conditions. One of the main characteristics of the robot is its load capacity, which is up to 454 kilograms. This is a significant indicator that allows the system to solve a wide range of transport tasks, from the delivery of ammunition, food, and medicine to the transfer of heavy equipment and communications equipment. In combat situations, logistics often turns out to be a weak link. Soldiers are forced to carry a huge load, which reduces their mobility, increases physical fatigue, and ultimately negatively affects the unit's combat capability. MUT is designed to relieve this burden by allowing military personnel to focus directly on combat missions without being distracted by carrying heavy equipment. The robot's autonomy also deserves special attention. The ability to operate for 72 hours without refueling or recharging means that MUT can accompany the unit for several days of continuous operations. During this time, it is able to cover a distance of up to 100 kilometers, which makes it suitable not only for operations in a limited area, but also for supporting marching columns, raiding groups, and reconnaissance detachments operating at a considerable distance from the main forces. An additional advantage is the built-in ability to generate electricity, which makes MUT a mobile charging station for various devices, from radio stations and navigation equipment to wearable electronics for personnel. In the context of modern high-tech combat, where electronics play a key role, this function becomes strategically important. A fundamentally important feature of the robot is its ability to operate both in fully automatic mode and under remote operator control. This combination provides high flexibility of application. In relatively safe conditions, MUT can follow the unit independently using navigation and obstacle avoidance algorithms, whereas in difficult or unpredictable situations, a human operator takes over. This hybrid control model reflects a modern approach to military robotics in which autonomy is considered not as a substitute for human control, but as a tool to expand and strengthen it. In addition to transport functions, MUT provides the possibility of evacuating the wounded from the battlefield. This is one of the most critical and dangerous tasks during combat operations. Medical evacuation often requires military personnel to risk their lives to save their comrades under enemy fire. The transfer of this function to the robot makes it possible to significantly reduce losses among the personnel involved in evacuation operations and, at the same time, speed up the delivery of the wounded to medical centers. Every minute of delay in such cases can cost a life, and it is here that the speed and invulnerability of the robot give an undeniable advantage over traditional evacuation methods. The combat component of the platform is no less interesting. The MUT provides for the installation of a combat weapon module, which transforms it from a purely auxiliary system into a full-fledged combatant. The ability to integrate a platform for launching unmanned aerial vehicles opens another dimension of the robot's application. It can act as a mobile aerial reconnaissance node, providing the unit with up-to-date information about the enemy in real time. This combination of ground and air components within a single mobile system significantly expands the tactical capabilities of small units operating in isolation from the main forces.
MUT embodies a new era of military robotics in which machines cease to be just tools and become full participants in tactical operations, adapting to the conditions of a specific task and interacting with personnel on a fundamentally new level. The planned adoption of the system opens up broad prospects for rethinking the principles of organizing combat support and logistics in the army of the future. What do you think about this?